Patrick at PALS, Ram 2500 with a Cummins diesel. We work on a lot of these. Why is this one here? Well, let's take a look inside the cabin. Oh, there's a telltale sign. We got a seat sitting outside. Oh, let's look on the back. There's the steering column, and there's the center armrest. Take a look inside. Oh my, what's missing? The dash is out. The dash is laying back here. Why are we doing that? Well, we're going to replace the heater core and the evaporator core right in this area. Okay? Why is that? The air conditioning is not cooling because the heater core is leaking. Well, it's actually the evaporator core that's leaking. And that's not allowing refrigerant to stay in the system, so the vehicle does not cool the cabin with the AC. So we're going to replace the evaporator core. Now while we're there, we're going to put in a new heater core. Why would you do that? Well, in order to replace the heater core, if it ever goes bad, you got to take all this apart again. This is a costly repair. It takes time. So to save the customer down the road, we're going to replace the heater core while we've got the evaporator core out. It'll be much less expensive if the heater core was ever to fail. So now it's going to be brand new at the same time the heater core or the evaporator core is. They should last the same amount of time. That'll save the customer money in the long run. If you've got a Ram 2500 and it's got an AC problem, bring it to PALS. See you soon.